Hey guys, we are back and I'm playing instead of playing something that y'all picked, don't I'm actually playing an hobby. So I've never really played this around y'all. So I wanna play Escape Gym Obby. This looks easy, doesn't it? None of the obbies are straight up fun. Hold on, I'm gonna move my face cam. Okay. See y'all. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my freaking gosh. Copyright. I've played this one before. Touch. See, I'm not good at this. Oh my gosh. I wasn't saying I'm at stage 2. No, I'm not at stage 2. Stop fire. I touched this. I'm at stage 2. Jim. You don't have to do it the way I do. But I do my certain freak. A certain way. So yeah, watch out if you're trying to come near me. You know it's easy. Well, if it's good at me, you know very good. Great, yo. I'm not accepting. Oh my gosh, all my body parts, all my freaking body parts, daddy. Oh, wait, did I touch it? Did I touch that? Sorry guys, if you don't like me saying it, put it in the comment section and make stuff. Because I'm just used to this. Maybe I should take the time, I'm not sure. No, lag, bro, massive lag. Hello, skip stage, cancel. Fine card, how much? There is no freaking way. Okay, these are a little hard. These are like a long jump. I'll never make that jump. Never. Don't. Yeah. Let's see how I just get lucky. That's one person. Oh, I need to know what's at the end. Need to not push us and see how good I am. See how good I am. See, bruh. So yeah, y'all know I'll have this. You know what's in Oh! How much is this? We just finish fidget. Oh, did you just see that? Did you just? This is actually really freaking see how you don't just wish. See. These I just wanted to hit my. Where are you? Hating me? Bro. Oh, Mama, what are we gonna have for dinner?
You can have a hamburger and cheese and bread.
Oh my. Okay. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. I think it's this one. No, oh, okay, I just saw the graphics. You're probably like, how do you do? I'm admin is my friend. I'll put it in the description below. But, oh, jeez, oh, dang it. It goes up all the way to 84. Yeah, I think that's stage 8. No, oh, yeah. Go. Wait, what? Can I touch the... Well, I'm just going to freaking stop doing... Jump. I love you, dude. Just have to jump. Oh, dang. Jump. Oh, no. Straight up, go inside. Hey, Mama, I'm hungry. So we're not going to Bitsy's game?
It's not Beaky, but Annalise.
So we're not.
Annalise got one.
Piedmont's closer.
I know, that's what I'm saying. And then they have some tomorrow too.
The reason I want to go is to see Annalise play with Olivia. It's been like 2 weeks, or just
Well, we just ate dinner on Sunday.
I don't need to bring my computer tomorrow.
I know.
How'd you
And
see?
you got a shirt in there?
What?
He said she give you a skill trip for it.
Yeah. I'm going to get my Hmm? What do you mean? You mean like what's in it?
What time is it right now?
Oh. 5:23. Huh? Huh?
I love it.
I would do.
Sourdough buds. Get your hands on the new toasty, cheesy sourdough kit or the breakfast sourdough sandwiches only at Ricky.
It's not our everyday sale at Kohl's. Hundreds of epic deals, no coupons needed. Women's sheets, $5.99. Boys socks, $12.99. Big one sheet size, $24.99. Stock up.
Yeah, see.
Hundreds of epic deals store
Huh?
Kohl's cash for you.
Well, you.
Love you too.
Are you sure?
Mama.
First, my first black.
So yeah, guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. I'm gonna let this one post. And then I'll make another one. See y'all in a minute.